Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to premiere a video on YouTube. Okay, but first let me explain. The YouTube premieres lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together in real time. So basically it's just like going live, but the one you and your subscribers are watching is a pre-recorded video. And there are two options in premiering a video that I will explain later. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, first let's open YouTube. And once you've opened YouTube, you will see a plus icon on the middle bottom of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap that one. And once you've tapped it, you will be presented with these options. And the one that we're looking for is upload a video, which is the second one. Let's go ahead and tap it. And on this screen, we're just gonna look for the video that we'd like to upload. And once you've selected, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this one, we're just gonna tap on next. And after tapping next, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, you can add a title, add a description, edit the visibility, add a location, can also add it to playlist, and you can filter the future comments on this video. But the one that we're going to be selecting is visibility. Let's go ahead and tap it. Okay. So in this screen, as for what I've told you earlier, there are two options. So for the first option, in premiering a video on YouTube, there is this instant premiere right below public. You can set this video as instant premiere. And this way, you instantly upload the video and your subscribers will be notified and you can watch it together at the same time that you've uploaded it. And for the second one, there is an option in YouTube that you can schedule the upload for the video. Let's go ahead and tap on schedule. As you can see, you can set the time for the upload of the video. And on the bottom of it, there is a checkbox that you can check to set it as premiere. So this is the second option. And if you set as premiere in the scheduled category, your thumbnail and description for the video will be shown, but the video is not there yet. So it will only act as a waiting room that they can enter or tap until the video is uploaded on the specific time that you've set. And once it is uploaded, just like the instant premiere, you can watch it together with your subscribers. There will be live chats and basically a live, but the one you're watching is a pre-recorded video. Okay, so after setting it as premiere, you can just go back and then tap on next on the screen on the top right corner, and you can just upload the video once you've decided whether if the video is made for kids. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.